Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you guys another video. So I hope you guys are all doing well and that you're having a great day. Today is Monday, February 17th of 2020. So guys, in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at a few interesting things regarding Cardano. So recently, Charles Hoskinson had an AMA talking about some developments happening within the crypto space. So I want to give you guys my thoughts on that. We're also going to be taking a look at an article here regarding IOHK opening a research lab at the University of Wyoming, following a $500,000 donation, and what this means for the future of innovation regarding Cardano. And one of the key points that were mentioned in his latest AMA is Cardano could soon be embraced by Silicon Valley. So guys, all of that is going to be here in this video. If you guys do find some value, please be sure to drop a like for me. It lets me know that you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post cryptocurrency content like this as often as I can. I want to keep you guys informed and up to date on everything cryptocurrency. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned. Alright, so guys, to get things started, taking a look at the overall market here, we have recently been experiencing a bit of a dip. Nothing too substantial, nothing that I'm sure none of you guys are not used to. But yeah, Bitcoin is back below 10K, whether or not we go below 9.2 and maybe touch down to about 8,800. Anybody's guess really at this point, but I feel like for those of you guys who are in this for the long run, I know most of you guys are going to be investors in this for the long term, so it's really all about perspective and time horizon. So whether or not you guys are using this as an opportunity to average your positions or continue to look at promising projects, it's really all about perspective when you're looking at these types of markets. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are as far as, are you accumulating cryptocurrencies? Are you using this opportunity to buy the dip? Are you hodling? Are you staking on the incentivized testnet? Let me know down in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. As well as Cardano, we can take a look. So right now, just under 6 cents. So really, really depleted still. Prices, I feel like, have a lot of room to grow. Taking a look at some of the news here for today. So IOHK opens a Cardano research lab. This news article came out on the 14th of February, so just a few days ago, and I wanted to share with you guys some of my thoughts about why this is significant. So Philippe actually did a video today. So Philippe, huge shout out to you. I really enjoy listening to your videos and I enjoy your perspective. And he let me know in the video that this type of donation here would constitute the University of Wyoming as Cardano whales. So he was saying that at current prices, a $500,000 donation in ADA is approximately 7 million Cardano. And guys, keep in mind that we are, just looking at the prices earlier, we are where we're at currently with the Cardano price. So the potential for upside is definitely there. But nonetheless, I digress. I went off on a bit of a tangent there. So the Cardano blockchain's lead development firm has established a research center at the University of Wyoming after making a $500,000 donation in cryptocurrency. Now, Wyoming has definitely been leading the way in terms of regulation here within the United States, and IOHK is really paving the way for R&D. Especially coming from an academic background, I feel like Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, like the entire project is really centered on doing things correctly based on science and peer review. Their entire ethos is carrying over into real-world applications. So the center will feature a new Plutus development facility, providing blockchain developers with an applied laboratory for writing code in Cardano's smart contract language, as well as tools and resources to experiment with new solutions. There will also be a design studio for new hardware tools that will provide authentication and anti-counterfeiting applications for Cardano. Nice. And then it's saying here as well, to continue, as part of its collaboration with UW, IOHK has also provided a $500,000 grant in ADA, yes, to fund research and development into new blockchain applications, including new traceability tools and supply chain management. All right, you guys, so a lot of innovation is happening here, and we can see that the economics behind the Cardano blockchain are allowing IOHK, Emergo, the Cardano Foundation, to really be able to carry on the processes of being able to fund these research operations. Guys, it's like as soon as they build this cryptocurrency, who is going to be the one to continue driving innovation? It's going to be these universities. It's going to be these academics. It's going to be these people who are constantly looking for problems to solve. And IOHK is going to lead that forefront. So really cool to see that. I think that it's a great thing to see in terms of the future for Cardano. Touching on that note, Cardano will soon be embraced by high-tech Silicon Valley. So Charles did an AMA yesterday talking about some of the things regarding tech and Silicon Valley and innovation happening within that sphere. So let's take a look at this article here, just talking about some of the key points that he had mentioned. Cardano could soon be embraced by the high-tech capital of the world, Silicon Valley, very soon. This was revealed by Charles in his latest AMA. Hoskinson revealed that there have been talks about the same with Emergo and added that very soon Cardano ecosystem will be in a position to start a dialogue. So according to him, when Goguen hits or shortly before Goguen, I think it is our time to go and really aggressively push things on Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley has a unique and lukewarm relationship with cryptocurrencies. They like building things and like doing new creative things. He further added that after the inception of Bitcoin, they made their own platform, which led a whole wave of new ventures, some of which are based in Silicon Valley. But to have a strong presence in the Valley, Hoskinson stated, you need to teach people how to deploy solutions on our platform, and the burden is upon us to have greater developer experiences and for that infrastructure to help developers get to their solutions. So guys, that ties right into what we see here with the University of Wyoming. I mean, they're really focusing on this like it's a moving mechanism, and they've got a whole bunch of different parts working simultaneously. And we can see that what they're trying to build is really innovative for blockchain as a whole. So it's saying Silicon Valley's trust with the crypto space. From Twitter's Jack Dorsey to Tesla's Elon Musk, many Silicon Valley prodigies have been inspired by Bitcoin's bull run in 2017. While Silicon Valley-based social media giant Facebook tried to dip his toes into the space with the announcement of Libra, it mostly attracted bad press. So guys, yeah. Notably, Hoskinson had previously stated that the partnership with PwC is critical for its commercial alignment in a bid to generate new commercial strategy to introduce Cardano to the enterprise world. Nice. So guys, they are really just, they are rocking. And I think once we see Shelley, once we see Goguen, things are going to start to get interesting for Cardano. I mean, look at Tezos, okay? Just to give you an example. I know we don't really talk about Tezos a whole lot on the channel. This is primarily information regarding Cardano, but if you look at what Tezos is doing, it's a STO platform. So a lot of security token offerings being provided on the Tezos blockchain so you can tokenize certain assets from the traditional finance space, so to speak. And if you take a look at what Cardano is building, I mean, they're focusing on things like supply chain. We can see here that traceability was a big thing, microfinance, global remittances, right? So they're tackling many different problems on a global scale, partnerships all over the world. So huge news coming from Cardano. I think that we are going to be seeing quite a few things happening here with the project going into 2020. Charles also stated that the OBFT hard fork is still set for February 20th, so about 3 days out now. And that is really going to start paving the way for the upgrades on the network for Shelley. So guys, that is it for this video here today. Just a little bit of news update for you guys. So I do hope that you found some value, and if you guys did enjoy it, please go ahead and drop a like for me. And if you guys are new to the channel and if you enjoy these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys as part of the channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care.